let's check it out. So remember, target 3, 36, and the last target, 45. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe this is 35 quarter. Our target 3 is 36. So if all you did today was go long at 9 a.m. at the open, pull back to our level of support, the one that I said, be long right there, and as long as the price doesn't take it, stay long, 3 targets, then this is what you will be having today. If you don't want to concern yourself with the counter trends, all right? Target 1, 11 points, that's $5,500 on 10 contracts. Target 2 is 21 points, that's 10 grand on 10 contracts too. And if you just want to go to target 3, we haven't made it by 1 tick, because this is what, 35 quarter, and 3 ticks, almost a point. But if we finally reach 36, then that's 34 points, that's 17 grand today that you will be making, right? Now you know that I'm okay if you get out 1 point above, 1 point below, right there, it's okay. So if you wanted to get out at 35, price just went to 35 quarter, you had 1 tick to get out. Yeah, sure, instead of 34 points, you would have made 33 points. All right, well, you know, such is life. Well, you know, it is what it is. However, it's not even 1 p.m. yet. There's still a long way to go. And remember that we have our last target, right? The one. This is how we manage the 3rd unit. And of course, before we go to last unit, remember 18, right? Remember 18? Price takes 18. We get out, because remember, stop, break even, start trailing. I told you, we're going to bring the trail to 18. Price comes to 18, and you all know that a trail is an add to a winner or establish a new position. Price goes to 18, stays there a couple of seconds, beautiful bounce, and what do you think we are expecting? A break of target 2, which support become resistance, and a continuation to target 3, 36. So here's another entry for those late comers. Okay, very well, ladies and gentlemen. I believe that's 36. Isn't that 36 quarter? So you had 1 tick of room to lock 34 points. No questions asked. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So target 3, right? And you all know that in target 3 is our last unit that we can that we can manage for the last last target, right? So I have last target, and there is no more management. The high is 51 of the last target, and it's gonna be a range. And the low of the last target is 45. So if you wanna be all out, 45 or 51, or the mid range, which is somewhere around here, 48, it's okay. So we are 34 points so far. It's early, still 3 hours to close. There's gonna be some shenanigans here. If you're not a counter trend trader, don't worry about it. Just let it ride, because that's what we do here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we just hit the low of the last target range. It's a range, remember, it's a 6-point range, 45, 51. So if you want to be all out right here, 45, 46, it's okay, don't worry about it. But where I do want to be all out, no matter what, no questions asked, unless, you know, you really understand our system, is 51. So 51, it's, oh my God, look at this, 51, right? Okay, so is that 51? No. All right, here we go. So 51.51 is 49 points, because remember, 102 is where we went long, and price never took it. So the main play remained long all day long today. 18, and then of course 18 pull back. It's our trail. And 23, right? 36, and now you can get out here 45, 51, or the mid range right here, 48. Alrighty, what time it is? It's early. It's only 2. It's only 2:13. So is it going to take 51 and continue going up? If it is, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna be all out 51. We're gonna pulse it out right there for 51. I'm expecting a recoil, right? And then we're gonna see the pullback. And remember what I told you. I made a bold claim that the price is, even though we are in a massive, beautiful uptrend that we got at the bottom, I don't think that we're gonna close at the high, which is a trade characteristics of a real uptrend. So we definitely have to get all out. If it comes back and we find support, then we get back in. Are you kidding me? If you haven't done anything but let the price go to where I'm telling you to go, with 10 contracts, you didn't get out anywhere around here with 10 contracts. You're up 20. You're up almost 25 grand. One contract, you're up $2,500. All right. Okay. So hang in there. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So it looks like we got the low of the range of the last target. We got the mid range, and we missed the high of the last target range by not even 2 points. So that's 49 points, 24 grand if you never got out. Long story short, and that's what we do here. We let it ride because we know when we are in a trend, and we know how to trail, and we have the courage to follow through with our system. It's the only way that you can make it in this business. Today is Friday, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you all on Monday. Have a great weekend, and hopefully you had a little bit of fun today, which is the main idea. Enjoy.